Join in continuing the tradition of putting flowers in bowls to worship the navel in Chiang Rai. Revitalizing Lanna culture. Create unity and pride in our community. The traditional traditions and culture of Lanna Thai are extremely valuable and important to the community and society. Continuing these traditions is not only about keeping the cultural heritage alive, but it is also a link between the old generation and the new generation, and enhance understanding of the foundations of Thai society. Preserving and reviving ancient traditions. For example, the tradition of putting flowers in a bowl to worship the navel in Chiang Rai. Therefore, it is of utmost importance. Because in addition to showing respect and faith in the ancestors, it also creates true unity and unity in the Lanna community.
อันมีแต่พระรัตนตรัยอภิวาทวันธนาน้อมแด่พระจอมไตรอันล้ำค่าพระพุทธาเป็นโลกตั้งเป็นองค์แก้วดวงปฐมขออภิวาทกราบก้มพระธรรมส่องอันผ่องใสเลิศวิไลงามงดดังสุริยยศผู้เป็นผืนนาบุญอันล้นพระสังโฆเอกอ้างวันธนานพไวขมาก้มกราบกราน
Continuing the tradition of putting flowers in a bowl to worship the navel in Chiang Rai on the 8th entering month and 9th month out is considered an example that reflects the determination to preserve the culture and traditions that have been passed down for a long time. Organizing this tradition is not only about reviving rituals and activities that have symbolic meaning, but it also encourages the community to realize the importance of local culture.
รังสีใจกวนกะเมืองจงมาพิบาลกันมวลโมจุมแห่งสานอบน้อมบูชาสาเดชเจ้าเหล่าเทวดาข้าไว้เจิญป่าละมีธรรมหลักเมืองเจ้าปู่จงมาภาพหมู่มานจงมารักษาศรัทธาผู้อยู่สืบบุญเลย
หน้าวัดแห่งนี้นะคะ
and it is a way to pass on knowledge and good values to future generations. Gathering together to revive and preserve this tradition is an expression of love and cherish for Lanna culture. This is an important foundation that creates unity in the community and society. Tradition of entering the 8th month, entering the 9th month, wearing a bowl of navel flowers in Chiang Rai. Wat Klang Wiang continues the tradition of placing flowers in bowls to worship the navel in Chiang Rai. Wat Klang Wiang, Chiang Rai province. Together, we continue the tradition of putting flowers in bowls to pay respects to the city's navel, to enhance the city's fortunes and preserve its precious traditional traditions. Tradition of entering the 8th month, entering the 9th month, wearing a bowl of navel flowers in Chiang Rai. Held between June 3rd, June 9th, 2024, at Wat Klang Wiang, Muing District, Chiang Rai Province.
Tin tệ phá mương bồn tôn thà lan thai phồn sát hà lì bồn tàn chào khana samana sát hàและมูราศรัทธาตั้งหลายตีปากันมาสักการะเล่าเจ้าตนนาย
The objective is to revive the tradition of putting flowers in bowls and add good fortune to the city of Chiang Rai and Chiang Rai people. The history of Chiang Rai's navel. Chiang Rai city has two important city naval points, namely at Wat Phra That Doi Kam Thong, which is the location of the city's navel in the period when Phaya Mangrai built the city of Chiang Rai, and at Wat Klang Wiang, which is the location of the navel of the city of Chiang Rai in the later period, according to documents. Monks and kith and kin jointly buried the city's navel at Wat Klang Wiang and other four corners of the city on March 18, 1874. The city's navel, or what the Chiang Rai people call the city's navel, is similar to a pumpkin. Has a high peak. The diameter was 6 cubits, the height 8 cubits, and a mandapa was built to cover it. The importance of traditions. Restoring the tradition of putting flowers in bowls to worship the navel in Chiang Mai. It is important in making Wat Klang Wiang a cultural space and a center of belief and faith. It is also to raise awareness of the new generation, youth and tourists in the Old Town community in Chiang Rai province, to show the existing cultural capital. Join in reviving the tradition. Invite everyone to participate in the traditional activity of the 8th month, entering the 9th month, wearing a bowl of navel pillar flowers in Chiang Rai. At Chanthalakaram Temple, Klang Wiang, Wiang Subdistrict, Muing Chiang Rai District,
Chiang Rai Province.
Between Monday, June 3rd to Sunday, June 9th, 2024, corresponding to the 13th waning moon of the 8th northern lunar month to the 4th waning moon of the 9th northern lunar month. This tradition is a reversal of faith that unites everyone in the old city, starting by paying respect to the city's navel first, to pass on traditions and strengthen unity in the community, restoring and continuing the tradition of putting flowers in a bowl to worship the navel in Chiang Rai in the 8th month, the 9th month out. It is not only about preserving the cultural heritage that is important to the Lanna community, but it also encourages future generations to realize the value of traditional culture and the importance of preserving and passing on this beautiful culture. We want to see young people get involved in keeping these traditions alive. Participating in the preservation of culture is not only about preserving the memory and good values of the community, but it also creates connections and deeper understanding between the old generation and the new generation. Inheriting Lanna culture and traditions is a mission that everyone can participate in. Whether it is participating in the ritual education learn or promoting and disseminating knowledge about these traditions, everyone's participation will help strengthen and unite the Lanna community, and ensuring that this valuable tradition and culture will be preserved and passed on sustainably to future generations. Join in continuing the tradition of putting flowers in bowls to worship the Navel in Chiang Rai. Revitalizing Lanna culture. Create unity and pride in our community.